Welcome to this One Kanal smart house, which is modern in design and executed by AenZay. So let's give it a walkthrough. In drawing room, you can see relief work on walls and designer furniture. Connected with dining space, having amazing artwork and decor elements. A modern aesthetic fusion of minimalism in the kitchen with a pool view. Now let's come toward the lounge area. My favorite part is beautifully decorated wall with Colosseum. Moreover, we have designer furniture and interesting artwork on walls. Now let's move towards the master bedroom, in which the main focus is on the stone finished wall and luxury bedding. With the connected open wardrobe. Moving towards the bathroom, we have twin mirror and CNC cutted backlit sheet in the ceiling. Now I am at first floor, which is a double-heighted living area with glass structure and linear lights. This room has stylish design with variant decor and cozy ambience. Here we have backlit geometric design walls and open wardrobe. The container room has honeycomb back wall with minimalistic furniture and decor.